and welcome back to my channel Tanu Talks. So guys, in this video I'm going to review a newly launched product by Garnier, which is Garnier Vitamin C Serum. You all know I love trying and reviewing new skincare products, and this time I got my hands on this serum, and it's been a couple of days that I've been trying out this serum, and I feel that I'm all ready to share my final thoughts on this product. So yes, let's get started with the review of Garnier Vitamin C Serum. Talking about the packaging first, Garnier Vitamin C Serum comes in a glass bottle with a dropper. The bottle is transparent so that it becomes very easy for you to see that how much product you're left with after using the serum. The dropper is really convenient when it comes to serums because you have full control over how much drops you really require for your face. And now let's talk about the product. So Garnier Vitamin C Serum comes with goodness of vitamin C and yuzu lemon. We all are aware of benefits of vitamin C for our skin. It really helps to reduce dark spots on our skin. It also helps to heal the damaged skin. From damaged skin, I mean extremely dry skin, patchy skin or pigmented skin. And it also helps reduce or diminish the signs of aging such as wrinkles. Last but not the least, it also protects the skin from harmful UV rays. Next, talking about the pricing part, this serum is really affordable, I feel. It retails for 449 rupees for 30 ml. I got mine from Flipkart. I'll just do one thing. I'll mention the exact purchasing links from all the websites in the description box below. Now next, move on to the demo part. First, I'm going to clean my skin using the Garnier Micellar water. So now that I'm done cleaning my skin, I'm going to move ahead and use the serum. So I'm just going to take few drops of the serum on my palm, and then I'm going to spread it and dab it directly on my skin. You don't have to rub this or massage this, you simply need to dab this on your skin. So guys, this is how simple it is to use this serum. So what I have noticed that this has got a very fast absorbing formula, leaving behind a natural glow on your skin. Also guys, this serum is 100% non-sticky or non-oily, which makes this perfect for this sweaty weather. In addition, since it has the goodness of vitamin C and yuzu lemon, which is why it is definitely going to help you in reducing your dark spots. So guys, I highly recommend you all to try out this serum. I'm sure you all are going to love this. This is going to bring a huge difference in your skin quality, and you can include this in your every skincare routine. Like I personally use this twice a day, once in the morning and once at night, just before going to bed, and it has really improved the quality and texture of my skin. So guys, that's it for today's video. Now it's time for the giveaway. I have decided to give away 10 samples of this Garnier Vitamin C Serum. I'll mention the exact giveaway rules in the description box below. Please do follow those rules before participating in the giveaway. And yes, that's it for today's video. I shall see you guys next time. Till then, you all take care. Bye.